Hey team, today we're going to take a look at the conversion section within the Systems Accelerator Manager. The goal of this video is to be a pretty quick tutorial. Before we get started, if you have not gone into your profile settings and built a team member, you're going to want to do that before you start generating anything so that the system is able to create really highly tuned resources for you. But once we're done with that, go ahead and in the Generations tab, click the Conversions, and you're going to get a couple resources. For this one, I'm going to select lead magnets. I think lead magnets are great to build into your business. And you're going to see a list of different types of lead magnets. For this one, let's go with a guide. And then we're going to be able to select any of the different team members that we have built out. We're going to be able to select from all of the different niches of real estate that we have stated in our profile settings, as well as our member voice or writing style. We can click into this and add things if we'd like. And the only other thing before we get started is the objective or the goal of this piece of content. The system is going to pre-fill this out for us, but I do recommend going in here and really editing it to your own likings so that it really resonates with your specific goal for this piece. After that, go ahead and hit begin, and the system's going to start thinking about everything that we told it that we want to do, and it's going to think about the profile settings. It's going to come back with some refining questions. This is really the tuning fork of the system, and it's going to help the system create really custom resources for us. Each of these questions is also filled out with an answer, but you're going to want to click into each of them and edit and adjust them as needed. If you decide one of these questions doesn't really make sense for the specific thing you're looking to accomplish, you can always thumbs down that, and it's going to remove it from the consideration when the system's reviewing all of these questions and answers. If for some reason you decide, oh, maybe I should leave that question, you can always thumbs back up and it's going to put it back in there. Once you have this all done and you've answered all of these questions, go ahead and hit the continue button, and the system is going to start generating that resource for us. At this point, it's thinking about all the questions, it's thinking about all the answers, it's thinking about what we're looking to build, and then it's referencing back to that profile settings, and it's really looking through all of our different details so it understands exactly what we're looking to do. Now from here, it's going to create a first draft for us to look over. In this case, this lead magnet's a little small, and so we would kind of use it as a guide. We could do a couple things. Either we regenerate it and it's going to go through that entire process again. We could refine it and state something specific that we would like to adjust about it. If we'd like to expand the content, we can expand the entire piece of content or just the select section of content. If we want to actually get in there and edit it ourselves, we can click this edit button, and we're going to have an editor that pops up and is available. After that, all you need to do is you can copy either the text or as HTML. You can move it into whatever kind of editor or CRM that you're looking to move it into. And then from here, you can save this piece of content so you can come back to it later. But other than that, that is how we build out a piece of content inside the conversion section of the Systems Accelerator Manager. I'm super excited for you guys to get in here, start building some resources. Like I said, I really love building lead magnets. I think that they're really valuable to have inside your business. So I will let you guys get to it, but I will come back tomorrow with another tutorial, and I will see you there.